In this guide, you'll learn how to create an interactive quiz in Gemini AI. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser and navigate to the official website of Gemini. Once you're over here, log into your account. Then you'll be directed to this page. Now here you're going to find the section of tools. Click on it. From there, select the Canvas button, which is your digital workshop for creating the quiz. Next, type a clear and concise prompt into the canvas, such as generate me a quiz about famous historical events to help the AI understand exactly what you are looking for. After typing your prompt, click the submit button to start the quiz generation process. Within moments, you will have a set of quiz questions. To test your quiz, click the Let's Test button to simulate the experience and answer the questions to ensure everything is accurate and engaging. If you're happy with the quiz, you are ready to launch it. These quizzes can be a great tool for education or a fun challenge for friends, combining interactivity with AI technology. And that's it. This is how you can easily create interactive quiz in Gemini AI. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.